Hi guys, mayababuza ukuthi do you guys even know igama lalo muntu engize ngaye because judging from indlela enenza ngayo, you guys have just picked the wrong person. So it is very, very, very possible ukuthi lo muntu engize ngaye animazi negama. Ngivele nathuna nje. Animazi ukuthi unjani, animazi negama. Amadoda ashaya phansi ashalaze besimanje azinsimbi laba because honestly they need to answer this out there. You don't know, no, if you know people were not person, you kind of like raising eyebrows or let's say should say, you don't know the person you live. So, so you might go with the wrong person. And people have that remember. It's like, if you want to lie, if you're prescribing his not in the lie, that's nothing. That's no one, and that's how I was feeling the way into that. I've got in a phone, and then I won't make it my own. And I is resisting that it's the way I feel like and then there's a common dog on the line. She's the Abama make a medicine. Got the wrong sign, we're not going to say hard when you jealous. Bayavuma-ke ngathi bayabheka phansi laphaya bayafuna ukuthi ubani kahle hle igama lakhe sebeyavuma ukuthi yena u-amba kahle bayamazi igama ngoba ngathi balibhekile lapha phansi lana it's either ama-chat or ama-conversation or bebezikhumbuzo ukuthi konje lo muntu engizengaye ubani bayabheka laphaya bayavuma ukuthi hayi u-amahle ubheka ngaphansi umshalazi bafuna ukuthi nje bayazi bambone ukuthi you know what you're sure you're just not sure and and yiye lento bekuthi hayi izinto ziphuphuke kuthiwa hayi lalela-ke ntombi phakamisa ikhanda bakubone-ke because bakukhombile bathi hayi wena bephansi indawo bathi wena and bayasho ukuthi hayi u-amahle ingabe ungu-amahle na. That's what we need to find out now. Are you amahle? That is it. That's why uyafika abantu bakuthi hayi ntombi phansi ikhanda-ke sikubone ukuthi wena yini nana lena abamshoyo uyasho ukuthi lalelani-ke lana-ke bathi lona la ekhaya simazi nje umandisa le amahle cha akusiyo wena bona. This one is not amahle, this is mandisa basically. Like we picked the wrong person. That is just not well, it turns out to be a humiliation or embarrassment, but of course, they're all covered. But some will say, they should know their bride, or some will say, the brides are all covered. So yeah, it's just a matter of whatever you decide with you. So they say, no, Lona, in this house, we know her as Nandisa. Oh, what a setback. Another one he just went down and like, oh no, we failed. Oh no, we've been bitten. Oh no, yeah. It's just coming to the end of the world. We failed. We picked the wrong person, and you know what it means in the Zulu culture. In the Zulu tradition, you pick the wrong person, you pay more. That's what it means. So more money is coming out of the pockets. And as Abakongi, you need to negotiate to make it less, not to add more. So, we'll say, the groom is going to be on your side. They will say, I sent Abakongi to go and do the negotiation, the price to make it less, not to make it more. And it's just a slap in their face. He's like, you know what? This is Amash Senebu, not the one in Pete. Hey, the guys, I don't even know what to say. They're just like, okay, yeah, sit back anyway. It's over for us. And I don't think Amash took it right as well, because we are trying to say, abantu laba abazi umuntu abazengayo. But isn't it obvious? Because like as I said before, if ukuthunywa Abakongi, 9 out of 10 they don't know the person that much, then the groom or the boyfriend or the husband to be, however you call him, because the bride or the girlfriend spends time with the partner, not abakhongi. So they start saying now, okay, fine, we want to discuss into sizengayo like higher. Uyabo ukuthi asiqhubekeni madoda sesenzile iphutha but akupholisa amaseko asiqhubekeni nendaba bakithi because we are here to get our flower, we are here to get our bride, and that is the main aim of the day. That is what we're here for, and we need to achieve that goal. We need to bring our bride home fine and short, sweet. Kodwa ke ubaba kaAmahlo uthi ngeke nje siqhubeke kanjalo nje nina la ekhaya nidelelile nifike ngo-1 instead of when you're doing these negotiations you get there very very early. Like they normally say, I don't know, like times are evolving so much that now things that used to be important are no more seen as important. Like, how can you get to somebody's house at 1 p.m.? I mean, shouldn't you get there around 6, 7? Because that's what they say. Latest is 10 a.m., like 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, as early when they are still sleeping, because that's when you need to stand, isn't it, by the gates, or show it and things like that. So she's saying, no, you're just not going to get away with it like that. And these guys are like crying and screaming and saying, oh, no, 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 but you are hitting us hard now. You are really, 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 really hitting us hard, They are also crying. They are also bayazikhalela kusiyami bathi hayi bo baba sesizwile ke ukuthi uthi like kumele kube khona izinto esizikhiphayo and you are saying this is how much that we need to pay, because apparently uthi you guys need to pay 7,000 rand, and 7,000 rand uthi uza kanje. Okokuqala ifee yokuthi kuvulwe phela iqale indaba zamalobolo leyo sidinga leyo mali leyo. Okwesibili iyona ingqaqamazenyo. Okwesithathu iyona inkomo kama kusho iza kawu-2 because ilana for ini lena i-penalty phela lena guys. Kusho iza kawu-2 iza from kwi-penalty ukuthi nje badelelile kahle hle kumele bakhiphe inkomo kama iphinde ize kumalobolo ukuthi hayi phela ilobolo kumele bakho. Kusho la asikafiki kumalobolo sisakhuluma nje about i-fine about nje ukuthi umuntu hayi uyakhokhiswa ukuthi wenze icala uyayibona leyo nto enjalo. Bayaphinda bathi hayi niphinde-ke nikhiphe umhlaloselo wokuthi phela nina nifike late ngoba nisidelelile la ekhaya phela nathi we also have our rules, nathi sinama-responsibilities ethu, nathi we are the men of these houses, so we deserve to be respected. Nina, you did not respect us, you didn't respect our rules. Yay, kwanzima. Kwanzima, because now they are saying it's all then comes to 7,000 rands, and then now these men are crying and saying, no, this is too much. It is too much. Yeah, we are not fighting. We're not fighting. We just one family, I say we are kahleni bongodlame yini kangaka. Hawu sengicela nje ngisho ukuphula ke u2. Khiphani uthuke nje sisale ke sesikhala ke sasimelana nawo ke u5, and then now they are saying I know because inina now we are one family. Hayi u5 nomunzima phela nomunzima u5 kade ethemba kakhulu yena ukuthi hawu imvula mlomo lezi ziwo200 seyifike kanjani ke guys ko5,000. Hawu kahleni bo uthi mina bengingazi ukuthi hayi nizoshaya ngoswazi ongaka bafethu, hayi bengingazi ukuthi nizolwa kangaka nathi. Bayachaza ukuthi hayi lalelani ke phela lamadoda ayincengani. This is how it goes. If you are doing the lobola negotiations, this is how it goes. You better take it or leave it. But guess what? The groom wants to take it. So you guys will have to comply because we all got rules everywhere. Rules, responsibilities. Yeah. You know what I mean? But yeah, eventually things come up together. The guys do things properly. We are paid for Amalibola negotiations. I are paid for Amahle. And then she gets to be the bride. And it was quite an amazing journey to watch because yeah guys, it's always like kind of like back and forth kind of things with I'm a family's way to let it be from the groom side or from the bride side. It's just always like you see families fighting because the price is too much. They feel like the price is too much. The others feel like, no, you are disrespecting us. How can you take our daughter and think that the price is too much? So it's kind of like a back and forth. Well, now, guys, you let me know if you've been in this situation. Like, how did your Lobola negotiations go? And what decision did you guys come up to eventually? And how did it go? I know like some people, at times they even say, you know what, we are stopping these negotiations. Nothing is going to happen until you comply with what we want. And at some point, some families are like, yeah, you know what, you are our son. You don't have to pay that much. Just whatever you do. It's some people have even moved it to like normal Lobola negotiations now because of families, like how the culture used to be. Sometimes the brides, the girlfriends, the person who has the Lobola negotiation over, they kind of feel like their families don't deserve those things. They're like, oh, I know, like, we have some people who raise themselves, who didn't have family, things like that. So they kind of feel like, no, families and stuff shouldn't have that ownership of, controlling your lobola negotiation or having power or getting something from yourself. So some people are just doing it with sorrow, not even lobola negotiations at all. So, Enage, how did your process go? Did you go through lobola negotiations? How did it go? And was it a successful process at the end? Was it not a successful process at the end? And yeah, that will just be nice to know, guys. that will just that would just be nice to know indeed. And before we close it, and as we said, we're talking about the global negotiations. I Pelabati, Uterelo, the family refused illegal negotiation, which is exactly what I was talking about in their own. So yeah, have you been in that situation also where they kind of like your family refuse, your negotiations, and for what reason? For what reason? And how did that affect you? Like maybe now you're thinking, if my family had not refused, I would have been, those kind of things. And have you been in a situation whereby it was just an easy flow for your husband? And probably now you are married and you're thinking, my family sold me to this guy. They really sold me to this guy. Or vice versa. You are a guy, you paid a lot for this lady, and you are thinking now, oh, I paid way too much because this woman is like this, or probably you wanted to marry somebody with family, denied you to marry. It's just always the love triangle. Yes, fellas. Thank you, fam, for joining and tuning in. We will see you next time. Bye.